Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. Today we're diving into loops, specifically the for and while loops. Loops are essential for repeating actions in your code efficiently. Let's get started. Loops allow us to execute a block of code multiple times without having to write it out repeatedly. This is especially useful for tasks like iterating over a list or performing an action until a condition is met. First up is the for loop. This loop is great for iterating over a sequence such as a list, string, or range of numbers. In this example, we have a list of fruits. The for loop iterates through each fruit in the list and prints it out. Let's see this in action. We can also use the range function with a for loop. This is particularly useful when you need to repeat an action a specific number of times. This code will print out iteration 1 to iteration 5. The range 5 generates numbers from 0 to 4. Let's run it. Next, let's talk about the while loop. This loop continues to execute as long as a given condition is true. In this example, we initialize count to 0 and keep printing it until it reaches 5. The condition count 5 ensures the loop runs 5 times. Let's see this in action. Now let's introduce loop control statements, break and continue. These can help manage the flow within your loops. In the first loop, we use break to stop the loop when I equals 5. In the second loop, we skip printing 2 with continue. Let's check these out. To wrap up, we've learned about for loops for iterating over sequences and while loops for repeated actions based on conditions. We also explored how to control the flow with break and continue. Practice these concepts to strengthen your skills. Practice exercises. Try creating your own loops. For example, use a for loop to print numbers 1 to 10 and a while loop to count down from to 1. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification programming tutorials. See you in the next episode.